Windows 11 ships with a surprising amount of data collection, telemetry tracking, and personalized advertising active by default. While Microsoft uses basic telemetry to keep the OS stable and secure, much of the deeper tracking, like logging your keystrokes, tracking your app's uses, and monitoring your location, can be safely turned off to reclaim your privacy and free up background system resources. First step: shut down telemetry and diagnostics. Right click on Start menu, go to Settings. In left menu pane, click on Privacy and Security. Then go to Diagnostics and Feedback. Here, toggle Send Optional Diagnostic Data to Off. This drops your data sharing down to the absolute minimum required to keep the system updated and secure. Disable tailored experiences. Turn off tailored experiences, sometimes labeled as personalized offers. This blocks Microsoft from using your location diagnostic data to pitch your tips, ads, and product recommendations with collected data. Expand the Delete Diagnostic Data section and click Delete. This purges the historical data Microsoft has already aggregated from your machine. Second step: keep the advertising ID and app tracking. In Privacy and Security, go to General and here toggle off the following system behaviors. Let apps show me personalized ad by using my advertising ID. Then let websites show me locally relevant content by accessing my language list. Let Windows improve start and search results by tracking app launches. Show me suggested content in the setting app. Third step: disable activity history and timeline tracking. Windows quietly tracks the app you open, file you access, and websites you browse to sync your state access devices. If you don't need to resume specific app sessions across multiple PCs, turn this off. In Privacy and Security, go to Activity History. Uncheck Store My Activity History on this device and then click on Clear History to erase the existing local timeline log. Fourth step: turn off activity personalization and inking. To improve text predictions and handwriting recognition, Windows can upload your local typing and writing pattern to the cloud. In Privacy and Security, click on Inking and Typing Personalization. Toggle Personalization Dictionary to off. Fifth step: adult app permissions and hardware accesses. Many background apps retain permissions to access your camera, microphone, and location even when they have no functional need for them. In Privacy and Security, go to Location, turn off location service entirely if it's a desktop computer, or manually revoke permissions for apps like Edge, Weather, and third-party tools. If you run Windows 11 Pro, you can disable data collection from Group Policy. In search, type gpedit, click on Edit Group Policy. In Group Policy, expand Computer Configuration, then expand Administrative Template, then expand Windows Component, and here you will find data collection and preview build. In data collection and preview build, you will find allow diagnostic data. Double click on it and set it to enable and select send required diagnostic data from the drop down list. To diagnostic data off, click on apply and then click on OK. Close Group Policy Editor. Now you need to update your policy changes. Right click on Start menu. Click on Run. In Run type GP update/force. Click on OK. Updating the policy. Group policy updated successfully. These are the best ways to stop Windows 11 tracking your personal data and make your Windows 11 computer secure. That's it.